In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the top 5 AI training jobs for beginners that are hiring remotely in 2025. With the rapid growth in artificial intelligence, breaking into this field has never been more accessible, even if you're just starting. Let's dive into these exciting opportunities that open the door to working in AI, all from the comfort of your home. First up is the role of an AI data annotator or labeler. Imagine you're working with a vast sea of data, whether it's images, videos, or text, and your job is to tag them accurately. This tagging process is crucial because it helps train AI models to recognize patterns and make predictions. It might sound simple, but your role is the backbone of machine learning systems. Companies need precise and consistent data labeling to ensure their models perform well. This job not only sharpens your attention to detail, but also gives you an insider's view of how AI systems are developed from the ground up. Moving on, let's discuss AI chatbot training. Here, you will teach chatbots to respond correctly by reviewing and refining conversations. A chatbot learns from interactions, and your task is to make sure it learns correctly. By analyzing chat logs, you'll help improve the chatbot's ability to understand various queries and respond with accurate, helpful information. This job is perfect if you enjoy working with language and have a knack for teaching technology to communicate better. Next, we have the role of an image or video labeling specialist. Similar to a data annotator, you'll categorize images or videos for machine learning models. This is especially important in fields like computer vision, where AI needs vast amounts of labeled visual data to learn and make decisions. Whether it's identifying objects in images or categorizing videos based on content, your work directly impacts the effectiveness of AI models in recognizing and understanding visual inputs. The fourth job on our list is a content moderator for AI. This position involves reviewing content to ensure AI models are both safe and accurate. With the internet being a vast repository of information, it's crucial to filter out unsuitable content and bring only appropriate data into AI training. Your responsibility is key to maintaining the integrity and reliability of AI systems, especially in environments where inappropriate content could lead to harmful outcomes. Lastly, we have voice or speech data collector. As a collector, you'll either record or validate voice samples, which are essential for refining AI voice recognition capabilities. This job requires good listening skills and often a clear speaking voice. Your contributions will help advance technologies like digital assistants and voice operated devices, making them more accurate and user friendly for people around the world. These roles not only introduce you to the AI landscape, but also allow you to contribute significantly to technological advancements. Embrace the opportunity to start your AI journey with any of these remote positions, and you'll be part of a field that is continuously evolving and reshaping how we interact with technology.